We got a 2021 Toyota Camry. We're gonna change the air filter. Basically the air filter is just two clips that you need to unclip. Once you unclip this, just push up a little bit and then you should be able to get the filter out. Well, anyways, this is the filter. Very simple. It's gonna look, this is the brand new filter. Okay, just slide it up. You don't have to completely take out the cover, man. That's a waste of time. However, when you're installing it, make sure that these two tabs are actually inside of the housing. Okay, like that. Because that would allow us to actually clip the housing back. That's it, man. That's how you change the air filter. Now we'll be doing the cabin filter, which is located on the passenger side. Oh man, this guy likes to have a party here. Anyways, the cabin filter is located here in the glove compartment. Alright, Lotos, my guy. Anyways, just pull this. Just take this pin out right here. Take the housing. You'll see a cover like that. And then just push this tab. Pull it. Pull it. And then pull the housing. This is where you install the cabin filter. Okay, that's what it looks like. So that's it. That's how you get snug. Putting the cabin filter back, make sure the filter is gonna be facing up. Okay, so that's the upside. Once you got that, put back the cover. Cover is also labeled so you would not get lost. Push it back in. Okay, and now we're gonna put the rest of the cover. There you go, man. That's it at the end of the video. I hope this information gave you guys the confidence to replace your filters. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know down in the comment section. Yeah, passenger side, glove compartment. Okay, that's how you do it. Peace.